Welcome to this quick comparison between ClickFunnels 2.0 and ClickFunnels Classic. Let's explore which one might be the better choice for you. ClickFunnels Classic is the original version launched in 2014. It's simple and effective for building sales funnels, capturing leads, and selling products. Its interface is user-friendly and ideal for beginners who just want to create straightforward funnels. On the other hand, ClickFunnels 2.0 is a major upgrade released in 2022. It's a complete all-in-one platform for building not only funnels but also websites, blogs, online courses, and memberships. It includes advanced features like AI tools, faster page loading, and an integrated email marketing system. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. ClickFunnels Classic is best for simple funnels and easy setup with a proven track record. ClickFunnels 2.0 is best for entrepreneurs who want to build everything in one place, from websites to advanced automations. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out and only want to build basic funnels, ClickFunnels Classic is a solid choice. But if you're ready to scale your online business and need a full suite of tools, ClickFunnels 2.0 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and step-by-step tutorials on building high-converting funnels.